So how are you?
Much better. I think I might make it all night with these.
Uh-huh. A lot. But a lot.
They're dropping my cheese.
Nora, are we fat?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
How is it?
Good.
You look tired.
Tired. Long day.
Yeah. I got ruined for the napkin. I can't get
I
stuck.
think you're supposed to.
No, but you can't wipe your face with an already dirty napkin.
Hey.
No, you can't, because then it just gets more mess on your face. I put tomatoes in it.
Fuckers.
Here, can I have this?
It's a spork. A spoon and a fork. Put together.
What do you have that you can give me a bite of? What? Nothing. I can eat your tomatoes, I see.
Alright, go out all day and then come home at 2 and take my food.
Okay. I think we're gonna run out of recording time.
We do. And my mom's gonna be in the video. Okay.
What do you want to talk about? We gotta keep our viewers entertained.
We're the only ones that watch our videos though.
That'll